Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Jordan Samudra Putra, and I will explain you about how to vacuum cleaner work. A vacuum cleaner are one of the handiest household cleaning appliances used today. Its simple yet effective design has done away with having to clean dust and other small particles of surface by hand, and turned house cleaning into a more efficient and fairly rapid job. Vacuum cleaners pull air in, and the air sucks up dirt and dust. Inside vacuum cleaners, a fan blows air. You can often feel it. In order for a fan to blow air, it needs to draw air in. This is the air that sucks up for vacuums the dirt and dust. The low pressure air caused by the air going into the vacuum cleaner draws up small objects, which then get trapped in bags, canister, or filter. In vacuum cleaners without a bag, the incoming air is whirled around by the fan, and the dust and dirt collect on the walls of compartment inside the cleaner to be empty later. Yes, maybe enough from me. If there is a wrong word, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.